You can find the value of any term of an arithmetic sequence using a recursive formula. You can also write a sequence using an explicit formula. An explicit formula is a function rule that relates each term of a sequence to the term number. The key concept, the explicit formula for an arithmetic sequence. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence with first term a of 1 and common difference d is given by, well, a of n equals a of 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times the common difference, d. Problem 4, writing an explicit formula. An online auction. An online auction works as shown below. Write an explicit formula to represent the bids as an arithmetic sequence. What is the 12th bid? Well, notice we have a bass guitar up for auction. The minimum price, or starting bid, was $200. The first bid, the seller sets a minimum price, which must be met by the first bid, so they match the minimum bid. The second bid was for $210, and note, following bids increase on regular increments, at least in this particular auction. Bid number 3 was $220, bid 4, $230. So we can pick out a common difference, make a table of the bids, identify the first term and the common difference. So in the table we have the term numbers across the top row and the value of the term in the bottom row. First term, a of 1, is 200. Remember, that was the opening bid. And the common difference is 10. We'll call that D. Substitute a of 1 equals 200 and d equals 10 into the formula. A of n equals a of 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. The explicit formula a of n equals 200 plus n minus 1 times 10 represents the arithmetic sequence of the auction bids. The 12th bid can be found by evaluating a of n for n equals 12. Substitute 12 in for n and evaluate. This prevents us from having to find the 11th term, and before that the 10th term, and before that the 9th term, and before that the 8th term, in order to build up to the 12th term. Using an explicit formula, we just plug in 12, or 91, whatever the case may be, and evaluate. So to do that, in this problem, a of 12 will equal 200 plus the quantity 12 minus 1 times 10, and that's 310. So if the pattern continues, the 12th bid is $310. Your turn. A subway pass has a starting value of $100. After one ride, the value of the pass is $98.25. After 2 rides, its value is $96.50. After 3 rides, $94.75. Write an explicit formula to represent the remaining value on the card as an arithmetic sequence. What is the value of the pass after 15 rides? And B, a reasoning item. A subway pass has a starting value of $100. After a ride, the value is $98.25, and so on. Looks like the same information as part A. The explicit formula, a of n equals 100 minus the quantity n minus 1 times $1.75, represents the remaining value on the card. How many rides can be taken with the $100 pass?